Assalamu alaikum. Yawa, wanda zai downloading Canva a wayansa na Android shine zai je Play Store. Daga Play Store sai ya searching for Canva. This is Canva. So look at the logo of Canva. I already have logo of Canva. So if you didn't have it, you will see install. So you click install and wait for it to install. That's all. So now when you install, you will see when you go to Play Store, search for Canva, you will see open. So by clicking this open, wait for Canva to load. You will now see the home page of Canva. So this is the home page of Canva. As you can now see, from this home page you can do many things. But what I showed yesterday is this button, plus button, at the bottom of the screen. When you touch it, that means you want to start a new design. So when you start a new design, when you click plus, it will show you this. So yesterday I now show you how to start a new design from scratch. So by clicking custom size, this is custom size. So from here you can now give it the width and the height of the site, and I ask you to leave it at to leave the unit px, that's pixel. If you don't want pixel, you can now choose either inch, that's in, millimeter, that's mm, or centimeter, which is cm. For the sake of this tutorial now, I will now prefer to leave it as px, that's pixel. So now I will put the width to be 200 pixel px and the height to be 200, so that it will be perfect square. And this is the perfect size if you want to use it for either WhatsApp status or WhatsApp DP. Now you click create design. So from this create design, now you wait until it's fully loaded. As you can now see, I have my my new canvas or new design. So now this one is just like Canva is now suggesting what you should do with this new design, but I don't want it for now. So I will now go back. When I click back, it will now take me back to my design. So as you can see, this is white background. I have nothing on it. So all I need now, I can start my work now. So now let me start with, as you can see, the background is highlighted with purple color. That means whatever you are seeing at the bottom, replace color, timer, layers, and more, are all about my background design. If I want to change this white background to anything like this, I can use replace to put a picture here instead of this white background. I can change the color from here to another color. I can, if I am using animation, then I can use timer, or use layers, because I have only this white background. Had it been is more than one background, I can use these layers to switch from top to the bottom of each background. So I don't want to use this now, so I want to go to element. So I will click this X at the bottom from the right hand side. From the bottom right hand side, I will click X. So now this is a fresh empty canvas for my Canva. So now the next thing is, if I go to design, I will see ready-made design, which I'm not going to use for now. The next thing is I have element. So when I click element, I will have so many elements like I explained yesterday. But the element I want to use today is shapes. You can see shapes is here. So I can now say, okay, let me use this one, this square. As you can see, these shapes will allow me to type something if I want, but I don't want to type anything now. That means it's a text box also. So I don't want to use it as a text box. I want to use it to decorate my canvas. So as you can see my element, when I touch my element, all these menus that appear at the bottom are referring to this element selected. So now from the first one, edit, that means I have a text inside, then I will edit the text, but I don't have the text now. Then shapes, when I go to shapes and I choose any shapes, it will now change to that shape, as you can see. You see it now. So let me leave this one. Then from that one, I can select the shape again. I can change the color of the shape. Let me use this color. Which color am I going to use? Okay, let me use this purple. Then I can duplicate. Then from here I can use this. You see now. Okay, so now then this one, I want to change color of this one to this color, and I will expand it like this and take it. I want it to be down. That's at the bottom of the of the first square. So what I will do, I will so from at the bottom, I will now go and look for layers. Layers is at the bottom, not on that. So can you see now? I have my two squares. So now I will click this. From the layers, I can take the brown, as you can see, using this 6 dot from the left hand side. Then I will press it, then drag up until the other square move down, or I will use the one at the top and move it down. It's even better. So now this one is down, so I want to use, I will use it like this. So this is now. Then I will now duplicate this one also and now bring it here. You see? So you can do whatever you want to do. You can even do better than me. I'm just teaching you how to use Canva. But if you have a talent of design, you may design something better than mine. Okay, so let me drag this up. So let me put something here, inside here. So let me go back to elements. This time around, I should look for frame. That's picture frame. Frame is here. Let me look for this one is similar to my something here. So let me bring it out, take my picture frame. This will allow me to insert any picture I like. Can you see now? So now let me go and look for a picture to insert. So now I will now take upload, look for the picture to put. Let me use Sultan picture. So I will now crop by double clicking the picture to display the crop tools. So now I will click outside, that means it's crop. So I will move it inside, you see. So now, but if I move this, it will come alone, this one also. So what I want, I'm going to upload and select another picture. Let's crop it. Then done. That means the picture is cropped. So let me use this by duplicating it. Then I will insert this picture inside. So I have my two pictures. So let me add a text. The text I'm going to add is Sultan. Sultan. Take it up. Change the font. Poppins. Okay, let's use Anton. Anton. Then I will add dental clinic. So I need to change the font. So let me consider changing the font. Okay, yes, I think it's better like this. So let me move this and move this.